Well, good morning from snowy Nova Scotia. We woke up to so much snow this morning. I'm in the garage right now because my husband's out snow blowing, so it's really loud out there, but I just shoveled a little path to get to our bird seed feeder so I can put some seed out for the birds. We cleared out a spot so Cooper can move around and do his business. And then Brian's going to continue plowing, and something that we have done a lot over the years is I'll make him a hot chocolate. He doesn't drink coffee, and I'll grab my coffee and hop in the plow truck with him, and then we go and clear our lane. There's 4 of us up here, 4 homes, and then across the street we do our friend's house across the street as well. So I'm going to take you along with me, and the first thing I want to do is top up the bird feeder and then get Cooper out, and by then Brian will be ready to get back in the plow. I've had 1 cup of coffee. This is me au naturel in the morning. I needed a coffee before I started shoveling, I tell you. So anyhow, it's beautiful, but boy, there's a lot of snow. Okay, mister. We made enough room for you to walk around outside. Yes, we did. Because you couldn't move, there was so much snow. Let's put your sweater on. Okay, you ready? Yeah, you're gonna help me feed the birds? Okay, let's get the bird seed. Good boy, come on. Oh, you're so handsome. Yes, look, you can move now. There's my little birds. Got the suet out for them. Those little chickadees aren't afraid of much, I'll tell you. Coop, you're not going to get much further than that, my boy. Look how much snow is there. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of snow. Coop, you can't go any further than that. Come on. Well, hello there. Come on, Coop. Did you do your business this morning? Can't go down there. Look at all that snow. Oh my goodness, little boy. Did you do your business? Good boy, let's go inside. Hello, cutie. You're awfully cute. You come here often? Oh yeah, you're not so bad either. You're not so bad either, Brian. You're welcome. Let's go outside. I know, he's in your way. I know.
You gotta take him in and then
Yeah.
ready to start plowing again.
Yep. No more. Whew. I got a lot of snow out there. Ooh. All good? Yes. He's a good boy. Are you watching the birds? Yes. You want your treats? Okay, you keep the cats in line. We'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, time to do some plowing. Want some company?
Sure, come in.
That's way more snow than what I expected.
Yeah.
And they said it's supposed to snow right through to the afternoon for this area.
Probably got a foot and a half of snow.
On top of what we already had. So how much snow would you say we have?
Down now.
Yeah.
Some places I'd say she's about 3.5 feet.
Yeah, easy. Which is more snow than we've had in the last 2 years combined, I would say.
Oh yeah.
And the year before that was,
I'm on my 7th or 8th plow this year.
yeah.
We did 3 last year.
Yeah, and even then it was a couple that we didn't really have to do, just a little scuffing. But was it year before last when we had all that snow that was like Armageddon? Because we still had Rosie that year, and last year was our worst.
I'd say 3%.
I don't know, because last year was our first winter without Rosie. I think it was the year before, maybe. Maybe not. So this still isn't as much snow as what that was. My handsome man. Uh-huh. What's that?
Setting the angle.
Yeah. So you can see where your tracks are.
Yeah. Drop the lights down.
Been a while since we had a plow day.
That's right. Call me Mr. Blow.
I'll have to pack up a little picnic breakfast next time.
Yeah. Plowing picnic.
I'll make our.
It's like a nice drift to sit in.
I'll make some farmer's wraps.
Yeah.
Snow plowing farmer wrap. Not quite as much fun as hitting the trails in this thing, though.
No.
We need to do that more this year.
I'm gonna find some noodles.
Yeah. We haven't done that for...
What's that?
I haven't been out on the trails for, what, 3 years now?
At least.
That's too long.
Yeah. Some noodles.
I wonder if Pirate Nation there, you think they're gonna have their...
I don't know. Might be something to do this year.
Yeah.
What's going on?
That was fun.
That was good. Clearing off my plow runs.
I should shovel a little path to our bonfire tonight. Fire, some hot dogs and drinks in the snow. I think that'd be fun. Maybe we should do that this week.
2 or 3 Friday or Saturday.
Yeah, maybe we should do that this weekend. We've talked about having a winter bonfire. That'd be kind of fun. Get out the marshmallows, have some drinks. Oh, the tree's loaded with birds.
Alright, my dear. I'll keep plowing and...
All right, honey. It's been fun. Oh, hey, don't forget about your hot chocolate.
I got it right here. Morning fix. Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you in a little while.
Love you. How much longer are you gonna be, you reckon?
Now, I'm probably now close to an hour. I was hoping to be done in less than that, but hour max.
Any areas I should be shoveling?
I was also going to do it with the blower. No more shoveling.
All right, I'm gonna go have another coffee then.
All right, enjoy.
Okay.
See you in a little bit. Love you.
Love you.
Bye.
What do you think, little man? Should we put the fireplace on for you? What's going on out here, Rocky? All the birds out there. Yes. You watching all the birds? Run number 2 down the drive, and then he'll go across the street and do our friend's driveway. What a guy. Hopefully he hasn't gotten stuck. Nope. When we were talking to our friend Greg this morning, he was saying that he heard we're supposed to get winds today too. So interesting to see what the day brings. There you go. A little bit of our morning. Lots of snow. And I'm actually going to shovel the the front deck and yeah, get a little exercise and yeah, have some more coffee. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope to see you again soon.